can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
Hi, Dave Zwanetz here, following along with our little video series on how to deal with the police. This will be video number 2. I really appreciate all the great feedback on video number 1. It's been sort of crazy. Now I'm walking around and I was just at the gas station 2 days ago and somebody walked up to me and said, "I don't consent to searches." I thought that was pretty crazy. So I think that we're going to keep it in that mode where we just give you little catchphrases and ideas on how to deal with the police. Now, I didn't do these videos in any order of relevance or importance, but I think that this one is very relevant and very important, and it relates to DUI cases. When you're stopped for a DUI, it's generally some sort of small traffic violation that leads the police to your vehicle. And then in police reports, it is the odor of alcohol that will lead the police to some notion that you may be impaired. Now, I understand if you're swerving all over the place or if you go off the road and hit a tree, then maybe there's indications that you're impaired on that. But I'm speaking about the rather mundane DUI stop where it's a small traffic violation that leads into an inquiry of whether a person is impaired. Here's my ideas on this, my theory on this. DUI, driving under the influence, is the only criminal charge or traffic charge that I'm aware of where the police have some suspicion that you've done something wrong, and then they've created a system whereby they ask the suspect to prove it to them. That is crazy. Think about that. Sir, we think you may be driving while impaired. We think you may be committing a crime, which is jailable up to a year. We would like you to step out of the car and show us that you're impaired by doing a bunch of insane field sobriety tests on the side of the road in the middle of the night in the freezing cold, and then that's going to be our basis to arrest you. Come on. Rule number 2, dealing with the police. Don't take field sobriety tests, okay? These tests are crazy. I try DUI cases all the time. I've often likened field sobriety tests to swinging a golf club. Imagine if a golf instructor were to teach you how to swing a golf club in 1 minute on the side of the highway in the winter, and you never played golf before, and then you took the swing, and if you messed up or sliced the ball, they would deem you to be impaired. Okay, the field sobriety tests are walking a straight line while touching heel to toe, while keeping your hands to your sides, while counting out loud, most of the time on an imaginary line on a road that's curved. There is no penalty for refusing field sobriety tests. I'm always encouraging individuals to be polite and cooperative in all respects, but the 4th Amendment to the Constitution of our great country allows individuals the right to assert their rights. There is no reason why a person that's alleged to have committed a crime needs to go through any motions to prove that. The police must do independent investigations and be able to prove that you're impaired based on whatever traffic stop, whatever odors they smell, whatever they observe besides these crazy tests. Don't take field sobriety tests. Say to the officer, just like the other thing I said about not consenting to searches, I respect your authority, but I'm not taking field sobriety tests. I don't take field sobriety tests. That's it. There is no explanation needed. Just a flat out, polite, no, I don't take field sobriety tests. This could lead to an arrest, but the evidence then will be based on what they have. And there will be another video on breath tests, but if an officer needs probable cause to arrest you and you don't take any field sobriety tests, what's the probable cause? The probable cause then will be the fact that you were speeding, if that's why you got stopped, and you smelled like alcohol, had bloodshot eyes. Well, I've been working all day. It's 5 o'clock in the evening. My eyes are probably extremely bloodshot and I'm completely sober. Also, if this bottle of water was vodka, I could open it, pour it on myself, and I would reek of alcohol, but I hadn't consumed any at all. These things can be brought up in court as viable defenses to the notions that a person is impaired for smelling like alcohol and having bloodshot eyes. So I'm going to leave you with that. I will do video number 3 quite soon, and maybe there'll be more than 10. I have a lot where this is coming from. Don't take field sobriety tests.
Wait till I get my money right. Then you can't tell me nothing right. can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let up the suicide door.